What does it mean to dream of a cooking pan? Usually, dreaming of a cooking pan can symbolize nurturing, creativity, transformation, and the need for sustenance. It may suggest a desire to explore your creative side or to nourish yourself and others in some way. To get a more accurate read, focus on the contextual variations of your cooking pan dream. I've listed the most common ones below. What does it mean to dream of a shiny cooking pan? This could indicate a new opportunity or project that will bring success and fulfillment. Embrace this chance for growth and be open to exploring new possibilities in your life. What does it mean to dream of a rusty cooking pan? This may suggest neglect or stagnation in your creative endeavors or relationships. It could be a sign to pay attention to areas of your life that have been overlooked and take steps to revitalize them. What does it mean to dream of a broken cooking pan? A broken cooking pan in your dream might symbolize feelings of inadequacy or frustration in your ability to nurture yourself or others. It could be a reminder to address any emotional wounds or challenges you are facing and seek healing. What does it mean to dream of a burning cooking pan? This could represent intense emotions or conflicts that need to be addressed. It may be a sign to handle volatile situations with care and find healthy ways to express and manage your feelings. What does it mean to dream of a boiling cooking pan? A boiling cooking pan in your dream may indicate pent-up emotions or stress that need to be released. Take time to address any underlying issues causing tension and find healthy outlets for expressing and processing your feelings. What does it mean to dream of a floating cooking pan? This image in your dream could symbolize detachment or feeling disconnected from your emotions or responsibilities. It may be a reminder to ground yourself, stay present, and engage fully with the world around you. What does it mean to dream of a giant cooking pan? Dreaming of a giant cooking pan might suggest overwhelming responsibilities or opportunities on the horizon. Take this as a sign to break tasks into manageable steps, seek support when needed, and approach challenges with confidence and determination. What does it mean to dream of a magical cooking pan? A magical cooking pan in your dream could signify hidden talents, creativity, or solutions waiting to be discovered. Embrace your unique gifts, trust in your intuition, and allow yourself to explore new possibilities with wonder and curiosity. What does it mean to dream of a talking cooking pan? This may symbolize the need for communication or dialogue in your relationships or inner thoughts. Take this as an invitation to express yourself openly, listen attentively, and foster meaningful connections with others. What does it mean to dream of a golden cooking pan? A golden cooking pan in your dream could represent abundance, prosperity, or spiritual growth unfolding in your life. Embrace this symbol as a reminder of the value within you. Cultivate gratitude and welcome blessings with an open heart. Pay attention to the details and emotions surrounding the symbol for deeper insights into your subconscious desires and challenges. Please click like and subscribe buttons. Please share your own dreams for interpretation in the comments below.